There's a better than good chance that at least one of your favorite businesses has been the victim of a data breach over the past few years. And with more than 1,000 data breaches happening in any given year, how would you respond if you were to fall victim to one? So to help us work through this issue, we've got Ken LaBelle here. He's a good friend of mine, and he also is a cyber insurance specialist. Ken, thank you for coming here today. So can you tell us, what is cyber risk, and how can a business determine if they actually have cyber risk or not?
So cyber risk involves security, it involves safeguarding somebody's information as well as your own business to keep your business moving forward. So anybody that's involved with, that has clients, that has employees, or uses a computer or network in any way has a cyber risk.
Okay, so if that network were to be interrupted or held for ransom, or somebody attacks that network and steals private information, that's something that could be a potential cyber risk for them.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, I know that property insurance policies will have a business interruption coverage portion or electronic data protection, and general liability policies respond to third-party lawsuits. Are those adequate to respond to a cyber risk incident?
They are not. They have exclusions for cyber risk specifically, and there's things called triggers in policy. What triggers coverage in a certain policy? In a property coverage, there needs to be a peril like fire, wind, lightning. It doesn't provide for cyber liability. Neither does general liability or other types of insurance. So a cyber liability policy is designed specifically to respond to those cyber perils.
So how does a cyber policy respond to those perils? Are there certain services that the insurance company is going to provide, or do they just simply write you a check and say, you go figure it out on your own?
Well, a good cyber policy, essentially, you notify them, they handle everything start to finish.
Okay.
It's forensics, it's review, it's collection of data, it's getting your systems up and running, rectification costs, regulatory fines and penalties, PCI fines and penalties. It goes on and on and on and on.
We only have so much time here, Ken. so that, I appreciate you saying that. And that's really what's going to be the crux of the next few episodes, because cyber insurance is really taking a new step in the insurance world, where past insurance policies, you might report a loss and then they say, okay, once you've had the damage fixed, send us a check and we'll pay for it. Cyber insurance is different because the carriers are actively getting involved in helping you respond by providing you legal assistance, or forensics IT professionals, or crisis communications. And that's what we're going to be talking about in the next few episodes. I hope you stick with us and watch there. So be sure to tune in to our LinkedIn and our Facebook channels. Make sure to follow us and like us there. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we're going to be posting regular updates. Ken, thank you for coming in today, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.